Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to shut down and restart your Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. In the older times it was pretty easy. If you wanted to shut down or restart a device, you just pressed here the side button and then a power off appeared. But at this moment here in the newer Samsung Galaxy models, Bixby starts, and this is pretty annoying. You can have two different possibilities how you can change this reaction if you want to shut down your device so that Bixby doesn't start. The first one is to shut down your device by pressing two buttons. First, the power button and the volume down button. If I press those simultaneously, then after 2 seconds here this information comes up: power off, restart, and emergency off. So I can now power off if I want to, or I can restart, or can do other things. You can see that's the first possibility you can use always. So you can still use Bixby if you just press this button, but if you want to shut down, you press both buttons. So this is a pretty easy way. But here you can also see there are side key settings, and here you can see what possibilities, what options you have if you want to change this. And how do we get here? So it's pretty easy. You can go to your settings, and then we go to the advanced features information, and here we have side key, and here you have press and hold. What happens if I press and hold the side key? Then wake Bixby. But I can also, if I never use Bixby, then I can also change it to power off menu, and when I then press and hold, and you can see it automatically arrives. If I change to wake Bixby, then Bixby starts, and it's just like we had it earlier. So if you never use Bixby and you don't want to shut down your device with the volume down and the power button, then you can change it just to press and hold the side button for power off menu, and then you can just power off or restart or do whatever you want to do. So I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.